Hi, science classes. I did want to touch base. There's been a few common questions that have come up as I'm looking at the surveys and looking at the work that's been turned in. First things first, I want to go ahead and discuss the makeup sheet. If you got that, the missing work makeup. It's got check boxes on it. I went through for people and marked any boxes for things I've already received. So like a lot of you did the activities for the energy unit, or at least earned credit for it from work you'd done off the original choice boards. And so that stuff, I put check boxes in that you do not need to go back and do it again, or even went ahead and just deleted those lines in your HyperDoc. So please make sure to go through. I definitely encourage you to view the videos, then do the checkpoint, because the checkpoint counts for a portion of your grade, and then do the retake. You do need to score a passing grade on those checkpoints and retakes to earn points. If you score a passing grade, which for the checkpoints is going to be a 5 or better, because I'm grading them out of 8, even though some of them say that they're like 11 points or 12 points. I'm making them out of 8, so as long as you get a 5 or better, you pass the checkpoint, get you a check mark in the grade book that's worth 1 percentage point. The quizzes or tests, whichever term you prefer, are 20 points, same as they commonly were during the school year. So for a passing grade on that, you need a 13, I want to say. Yeah, it'll be a 13. So please make sure that you're doing your best on those as well. I recognize some of the questions are teacher graded, and it can be a little confusing, but the feedback that's in there usually will tell you if you got the answer correct or on the right track or not. So hopefully that all makes sense to you. I know I've shared this out a few different ways. There's the distance learning syllabus. That's, of course, shades of green with the weeks listed. There's your metric choice board for this week. There's individual choice boards for every week. And then there's the missing work makeup sheet. If you had stuff missing before this week, then you got one of those directly assigned to you. Do the work however it makes the most sense to you, but please do make sure to get it done. Everything you get done. So formatives for the week, and then the summative, which is the test portion for the week, are each worth 1 percentage point. We had 5 weeks of these choice boards, these particular choice boards, and so that is worth a grand total of 10 percentage points back on your grade. The other question that's coming up a lot has been on metric ladder. So I'm actually going to be jumping back into my staircase. I haven't taken it down yet. I review it in this week's micro teaching, the vlog. There's even a specific portion where it says intro to metric ladder and then metric ladder down, metric ladder up. I recommend reviewing those, but just in case you have not seen those, I'm going to just touch on it right now. So I'm going to hit pause, and then you'll see me pop up again in the basement with the video facing the other way, obviously. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. For metric ladder, everything comes from the base. The base is 1. And so as we go up or down, we're looking at how many of the unit we are on is in one base unit. So as we go down, we start at deci. There are 10 decis. Let's say decimeters, just to keep it easy. It could be meters, liters, or grams. There's 10 decimeters in 1 meter. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And there's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. A lot of people are doing this backwards on the assignment for this week. And I'm getting some feedback where people are like, no, I did it right. So I'm trying to further explain it. Then as we go up, 1 meter is 0.1 decameters. 1 meter is 0.01 hectometers. And 0.001 kilometers. Now, I recognize for some people the confusion is the fact that there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. But the question asks you to measure it from the base unit of 1. And there is 0.001 kilometers in 1 meter. So that's what's going on with that. All right, so hopefully that clarified what's going on with the meter stuff for this week. I know I covered a lot of information in today's daily vlog, but I just wanted to make sure that you had that information. If you have further questions, of course, you can email me, schedule a video call appointment, message me on that Google chat, or you can go ahead and drop in. Drop-in hours for today have now passed, but like I said, I'm happy to schedule an appointment if you want to drop in during school hours. Next drop-in hours are Thursday from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Hope to see you there if you have questions. Best of luck this week. As always, take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe. Wash your hands. From my household to yours, we love you, and I will see you guys digitally tomorrow.